Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Today, I wanted to talk about vision. Vision, in a sense that this is something you've seen, you've perceived within you, in your mind's eye. Chances are it's not something you've seen physically, but you've seen it maybe in your spirit, maybe it came as a dream or something. And you've started taking action towards that vision you saw. You know, the things we see with our mind's eye usually are years way ahead than where we are. So, the person you are now to the person you will be to handle that vision that you saw are two different people. So you will need work to be done on yourself to become the carrier, the handler of that vision you saw. You know, it may indicate schooling, it may indicate relocating, it may indicate gaining a certain skill, it may indicate joining certain clubs or partnerships of sorts, you know. I'll give an example for myself. I think it was around 2010 when I started having the visions of having an organization where we could fund small businesses. I like small businesses, people with their creative ideas, trying to find a way, but sometimes there's lack of capital, lack of knowledge. Entities of that nature excite me, right? But I never knew how to put it into place until I came across an organization called kiva.org. At that time, you would always donate like $25, and they had collaborations around the world, and they donate to the people who have these little enterprises, you know. You say whatever you need. Maybe you need a fridge for your bar, and you need a certain amount of money. So they help you find that money, but you have to pay it back. And Kiva grew so big. I know it's still there. I haven't contributed to it in a while, but I know I participated for many years. And then, of course, I came across another bank in India where they were doing the same thing. So when I relocated to Uganda, I knew it was a dream on my heart. Collaborated with my sisters, and that's how Sunshine came about, where we are, loaning to small business owners micro loans for capital so that they grow, and hopefully I'll start getting reports that they are moving from one level to another, right? I tell all my clients every time, if you get money from here in a year, I need a report. Yeah, but you see, the vision took so many turns, so many years, I was able to implement the vision with my sisters after I relocated to Uganda. While I was in California, the opportunity, at least for me, wasn't there because I was doing the corporate thing, the corporate job and everything. So I say all that to say, the vision you have and where you are now, they are two different things. There's a level of growth and maturity you need to be able to handle that vision, and you will know it for yourself. You'll feel the pull of what you need to do, where you need to go, partnerships you need to engage in, how you need to save maybe for your initial capital, because for us, this organization, we saved the whole time, in order to put everything together. So you'll have to find ways of taking good, right actions towards that vision you've seen. And it will start unfolding, and you'll have the pull and the inkling and that instinct to do the right things towards that goal. I'll tell you, the reality is those visions have a purpose. And the purpose for them is for you to anchor in strongly and boldly that whatever you sow will come to pass. In those times when you feel discouraged, giving up, You don't know the next step to take. That vision that you saw will be your anchor. You'll always look at it and remember that, yeah, I saw that. I'm sure I saw that. It is possible. I still just have to find the right tools. You see? So it's like this big anchor with strength to energize you every time you are having those discouraging moments or giving up moments. So, yeah, hold on to those visions. If you put them to bed, that maybe they are too big or it can't happen, maybe you're disadvantaged, resurrect them, take an action. Because it's funny how life works. Life actually requires only 10% from you. Just show any sort of commitment and the truth of that vision will start to unfold. The right people, the right resources will start finding their way towards you. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Talk to you soon. Bye.